Hello and good day. Mostafa Hosseini, your business and marketing coach. One of the top problems that business owners are experiencing when it comes to their marketing is inconsistency in lead generation. In other words, not being consistent in finding new customers, or not a consistent flow of new people that come to their door or get to their phone or to their website, and however they're attracting new customers. That problem comes from an inconsistency in your marketing. Usually, if you're not consistently marketing on a daily basis to reach your target market, and hopefully you have your target market defined, which I've explained that process in one of my previous videos. If you haven't seen it, go and find a video and watch that video. Very easy, simple process to define your target market. But they're not consistently advertising and marketing to their target audience or their avatar to find them, bring them in, and then sell them the product and the service that they are providing. Now, to fix this problem, you got to have consistent lead generation activities, consistent lead generation strategies. Why is it important? Lead generation is the very first step in your sales funnel. So you find interested people, you qualify them, and then you sell them, right? If there is not enough people, not enough leads in your sales funnel, you're going to have a problem, okay? Simple like that. To fix that problem, you got to have more than one lead generation strategy. What do I mean by that? Most business owners that I know have one lead generation strategy, which is word of mouth. They rely 100% on word of mouth. And the problem with that is sometimes people talk about you, sometimes people don't talk about you. You can't rely on people to talk about your business and refer to you. You can, but some days or some weeks or some month, they may not, because they may get busy with other stuff. So you want to have more than one lead generation strategy, and preferably you want to have it so it's automated and it runs on a consistent basis, okay? For example, if you advertise on a bus bench on a busy street that you know that a part of, say, your target market or avatar passes by that area or that neighborhood, or you spend some money per day, let's say $100 a day, $1,000 a day, an amount of money per day on Facebook on a consistent daily basis, so that your market sees that on a consistent daily basis. They call you, they claim your offer, they visit your website, whatever you want them to do, they do that, but it has to be on a daily basis. Consistency in your marketing brings consistency in your sales. If your sales are not consistent, chances are your marketing is not consistent, okay? And preferably and hopefully you'll have a process that is automated, so you don't have to work on it every day. You don't have to think about it every day. It just happens on a recurring, automated basis, so that the phone rings on a consistent basis all the time, every day, and then you get business out of that. This is one of the 6 pillars of marketing that we're discussing in our course called Simple Marketing Formula, which is starting on January 25th. The length of the course is 6 weeks. Each week we work and focus on one pillar of marketing. And I am sharing the entire process, the entire blueprint on a daily basis on my webinar that you can attend and learn the whole thing. I actually shared the entire course with you. You can just watch the webinar and do it yourself if you want it. And go there. I've left the link in the description of the video. Register, watch the webinar, and I will invite you to sign up for Simple Marketing Formula in that webinar, which is a group learning environment. You work with other business owners to build your simple plan. And in this course, we only focus on the essentials and basics of marketing. No bells and whistles, no extra stuff. So if you want to take your business to the next level in 2018, this would be a good place to start, to have a plan. Having a plan is very important to allow you to get to your goals. So hope to see you there, and I look forward to servant support. Please like and share and leave comments on the video. Let me know what you think. If there's any type of topics that you want me to cover, please leave a comment in there, and I will try my best. If I have any knowledge about what you want me to cover, then I will definitely do that. Have yourself a great day. Good luck taking your business to the next level, and we'll see you later. Mostafa Hosseini, your business and marketing coach. Have yourself a great day.